Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Ramadan Isya Pramana. You can call me Isya. In here, I want to tell you about how prevent COVID-19. Based on Wikipedia, coronavirus is a collection of virus from the subfamily Orthocoronavirinae in the Coronaviridae family and the order of Nidovirales. This group of viruses that can cause disease in birds and mammals, including humans. Coronavirus is a family of viruses which currently cover SARS in 2002 and MERS in 2012. COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered type of coronavirus. This is a new virus and disease that were not known before the outbreak in Wuhan, China in December 2019. The word corona itself is taken from Latin, which means crown. This name was given because the shapes of the coronavirus like a crown. Then, how to prevent the virus? First, we must keep clean, starting from frequent hand washing, because washing hands often will kill viruses that have stuck in our hands or can also use hand sanitizer. The next is keeping a social distance because of a splash of saliva containing the coronavirus. It can fly as far as approximately 2 meters. If you stand near or don't keep your distance from someone who is positive COVID-19, then a splash of saliva will easily stick to your body and the virus move along. Not often touching the face, because our face, precisely our eyes, nose, and mouth, are the entrance to the coronavirus. And if we keep touching it with dirty hands, we might as well open the door wide. The next is practicing the ethics of sneezing and coughing good and right. When you cough and sneeze, close your mouth using a tissue. If there are no tissue, cover your mouth with your elbow inside. That way, the sprinkling of saliva that come out of our mouth, which would contain the virus that causes COVID-19, does not spread easily to other places. And the last, clean the surface of items that are often touched. This virus is expected to survive on the surface of objects for several hours to days. So, you should often to clean objects that are often touched, such as mobile phones, door handles, computer keyboards, and work desks. You can clean it using disinfectant liquid. Secondly, we must worship a lot and pray that this pandemic will be over. Because I'm Muslim, in my opinion, that praying 5 times istiqomah will prevent contracting the COVID-19 virus. Because every time before prayer, we will do wudu first. We'll cleanse the organs of the body. Prayer movements such as sport will improve our blood circulation and the body will stay clean and healthy. Third, stay at home. Why we must to stay at home? By staying at home, we will cut off the spread of COVID-19. Because if we continue to do activities such as work, school, play, that are done outside the home and meet with many people, will accelerate the spread of COVID-19, which was explained earlier. So, let us keep clean, always pray, and stay at home. By doing these steps, the spread of COVID-19 will be smaller and the virus will be disappear by itself. Let's work together to create a safe, peaceful, and healthy world by taking the steps that I have said earlier. I hope each other's awareness. We are together prevent and fight this virus. That's all for me. See you on the next video. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum.